Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today I am going to introduce the innovative lesson generator that revolutionizing the way we learn and create content. So let's explore the remarkable capabilities of this software named PopAi that empower users to craft engaging lessons, presentations and colorful visual content. So you can see here on the screen PopAi, your personal AI workspace. Don't worry, I'll share the link in the description. So I'm going to continue as a teaching partner. You can also join this website with your Google ID. I'm going to click here. So get started. So you can see here for the free account, you can use 10 queries per day, which is enough for creating any content. So let's explore. You need to click on AI presentation and I'm going to click here, create new presentation, and write down your topic and details. On free account you can make up to 15 slides, which are I think enough. Audience, let's say student here. I'm going to select educational slides and here I'm going to write down my topic. So let's write down a topic here. So I wrote a topic, natural selection and evolution. You can select a language out of 200 languages available. I'm going to select English. It will generate first of all the topic, then outline and finally presentation. It takes few minutes. You can see here the outline is generating now because I selected 15 slides, so it will create 15 slides outlines. It's very quick and you can see the references are there. You can edit these outlines as well according to your requirement, according to your students. And finally click on create presentation. So you can see here very colorful interactive presentation is going to be prepared with lot of pictures, references, relevant text. So here you can see all slides has been generated now. It's look amazing, very colorful. You can change the theme as well. I have selected educational theme in the beginning. You can change the theme according to your requirement and you can share through a link. You can also chat with this presentation. You can ask any question, you can give any direction, so it can change and alter accordingly. So this is really amazing, a very quick tool and can create a very wonderful lesson quickly. So you can find more tools. For example, you can see here academic tools. So please try this website and share your experience through comment section. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.